Hawa lang imong kamot sa record button para dili siya sa ano. Kana.
Okay, okay nang mic anay.
Oh, goods na.
Okay, okay. Go. On the spot, monologue. 1, 2, 3, go. Life, man. Okay. We're here on Mate. We're about to go home now. So before we'll get home, we'll show our appreciation and gratitude to our brother Precious, man. Without him, it wouldn't be possible. We wouldn't be here. We just shot a music video for our new song, and he helped us to shoot some release pictures for our latest clothing drop. The sun is out, Waves of Life tank tops. Big shout out to our brother for being so supportive since day one, since 2021, bro. And 4 years after, we're here. Life's good, man.
We promote the music, bro.
Whatever happens, just keep on flowing. We'll have our new music directed by our brother Precious here. It will be uploaded on YouTube, Spotify, on all music platforms. And it is titled Waves of Life, Isla Bonita, directed by our brother Precious.
Yeah, I'm in the island, and baby, that's why
Yes, sir, let's go. So let's waste no time. Let's hand this clothing package to him, and there is our physical form of appreciation of how grateful we are to have our brother Precious, man. Yes, sir. Open it to yourself. Gago. Gago, munti ka na maging kwento. Munti ka na maging kwento.
Unboxing.
Unboxing, bro. Unboxing.
Unwrapping.
Unwrapping.
Unwrapping, shit.
Ay, isa lang sa.
Dapat isa lang, guys. Balik na workout anyway.
2 is better than 1, bro. What is size that, bro?
Siya. Asa ilan na
Dala. Likod sa tag.
Medium.
Medium. Okay na medium, bro.
Boots kayo ni medium feel na ako, bay.
What would you say sa quality, man? How's that quality in the rate of scale of 1 to 10?
11.
Mercy 7, eh? 7-11. Okay. Move on to the next item. To the next clothing.
Okay naman sa isa, good ba?
No, bro. 2 is better than 1, but 3 is better than 2. Tulong tato para gani, I love you. Hey, shout out to sir for having us here, the owner of the coffee shop. Shout out, sir.
Look,
Go,
kano
for the
sa
next
ni?
item.
Kano sa ni, bay?
Kito na si Alpha Burn, bro. Kito mo.
Sure.
Yeah, we shot that with Alpha Burn.
Saan nga monthly release?
March.
Kagi ka pa ni, uy.
Mana nang bilhin ang blue, ang black yun, nahurot na yun.
Di ganahan ako blue ron, bay.
Yes, sir, though. Yeah. Gangsta, manaya, gangsta. Chris, manaya, broski, bro. Look at the design, bro. It has 3 designs. The back design, the side print, the side design, the back print, the side print, and the front print, and the back flip. Oh, yeah, bro. How would you rate the
Same.
11 out of 10?
Oh, hira, eh.
Broski, we appreciate you, bro. And that is a physical form of our appreciation.
So, ito na ko niya.
Kapila na nag-dapment, taga minuto, taga 20 seconds.
Yeah, you know.
But,
Kapay, thank you kayo, bro.
napaka-stickers
Thank you,
dito.
broski.
That is life, man. You know, if we just focus on every moment of life, learn how to appreciate what is in front of you, the given moment, you know, there's nothing. You couldn't ask for more, man.
Podcast bisag asa, bay.
You couldn't ask for more. You know, look at the ambience that we're having now, bro. Clothing, brotherhood, beautiful view. What is the most? That's good coffee, bro. Shout out to sir, the owner of this coffee shop, man.
Yeah.
What's your pangalan sa coffee shop, sir?
The Basics Coffee.
The Basics Coffee. Nani Facebook page?
Na.
The Basics Coffee on Facebook, man. Yes, sir. Mati located before mo matog any beach resort sa Mati. Hapit sa mo diri, man. Tao ang view doon ay sleeping day na sir view doon, bro. Pero unsay pinakagwapo na view, sir?
Mati, view-wise.
View-wise.
Together with the Buhada Bay.
Pero sa ko ang pinakagwapo na view, kabalo ka. I love you! Kauban. Uli na ko, bro. Kasi munti ka na maging kwento, but the outro, man, we'll just finish our coffee and it's time to get home, but I wish this moment will last longer more, but you know, we'll move on to the next wave of life, but no matter whatever happens, just keep on flowing, man. Waves of life for more life. We appreciate you, Bruce Broski, and to Sir, the owner of the coffee shop. What a beautiful life. Waves of life for more life. Let's go.
Ay, sobra. Tagal mo ka.
Ayos na to, man. Okay,
Nice.
Okay. Apay sa kayo doon, maratag podcast, bro.